Why create multiple streams of residual income? If you have only one source of income, then it is like standing on one leg, and you are extremely unstable and vulnerable. You will be financially stable if you have multiple sources of income. If one income source dries up, then it will not matter because you will have other sources of income to support you and your family. Rich people do not depend on only one source of income, but grow orchards of money trees. The famous Nile is the longest river on planet Earth. If you look down from a spacecraft orbiting the Earth, you will be able to see it and its two main tributaries quite clearly. It is that voluminous. But what you can't see from outer space is all of the thousands of little streams and rivers that run into the Nile. It is all that water from thousands of small streams that pours into the Nile, making it so large and invincible. If you examine the rich, you will find that their income is like the river Nile. They have several streams of income pouring in from different sources to create a huge cash flow of residual wealth. Prosperous people have always known, if one stream dries up, they have many more to tap into for support. So-called ordinary people are much more vulnerable. If they lose one of their streams, it wipes them out. In the future, you will need a portfolio of income streams. Not one or two, but many streams from completely different and diversified sources. So that if one stream empties, you'll barely notice. You'll be stable. You will have time to adjust. You will be safe.
Thank you for watching. Check out the description below for more offers. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Let's check out the next video in our channel.